Okay guys, I'm giving you an update on my Rally portfolio. Rally allows you to invest in all different types of collectibles as far as wine, cars, watches, antiques, all different types of things. But I'm going to give you an update. If you want to see a more in-depth video, just check the suggested videos. Now I go to my portfolio. Now I don't have that much in here. So as far as my account value, $202.53. Unrealized, that's mean I didn't actually sell it yet, so I'm down overall $22.15. Realized, that's the one I actually sold it and I kind of locked the profit in, which is $11.65. And it looks like as far as cash, I have $49.33. I do like how they made the updates, where it shows your holding and it shows your all-time gains. But once you click on it, it also shows you how long you had it by. So it shows the dollar amount that you were up for each particular one. To me, they could make it yeah, this would be as far as at the bottom. It would have been nice if they had like the total. But I mean, I guess it's up here as anyway. But that, just to be a little critique, that could have been a little better. So this setup is like I said, a little bit different. I can go by one, but I want to click on this so you guys can see. At the top, it shows the average cost and how long I held it since for each particular one. So for this one, I held this from February 2nd, 2023, and it's up as far as unrealized gains, $21.80. Let's go back, and that would be up 87% since I got it. There's, I believe, how much is it? Is it like 16 of them? I believe, as far as that, yeah, 16 of them. So the next one, I'll just go by the one that actually I've seen. The next one was looks like a what do you call it? A comic. This was, let me actually click on this so you guys can see. Go back a little bit. So this was the particular comic that it was. Now I'm not like really as far as collectible. Most of the time I just kind of pick things if I think it's particularly cool or just kind of test it out. But as far as the comic, that one's up $1.60, up 32%. Let's see how long I had this. But I had this since 6/27/2022, so that's not all that great. It looks like I have a lot of ones that I'm kind of down as well, but you also want to pay attention to the amount of dollars that I have in it as well. As far as this one, these two, well, these two is for all the ones. This was fantastic. For nothing major happened there. Avengers, nothing major happened there. Now for the wine, this one I'm actually down 4%. The wine I had since December 19th, 2022. So the wine one I'm down. So a lot of them I'm actually down. The Isaac Newton book as well. I'm down. I had that since 2022, so it's a little over a year. I'm down 50 cents for that one as well. It looks like a signed 1864 Isaac Newton book there. That one I only have $19 in, and I'm down. Let's go back to it and see. And I'm down 55 cents for that one. Let me see, the Chicago Bulls complete set. As far as the rings, I got that 6/20/22, down 85% there. Average cost was I had the average cost was $9.93 a share. For the total cost is $19.85 because I got two of them. So most of these, yeah, so most of these I didn't have that much into it. This one was the Isaac Newton. It looked like it was a signed book, or something of that nature. Let me go back again to see Isaac Newton. Okay. So yeah, so I had this one. As far as the shares, looks like I bought 2 shares. Average cost $6.73. Total cost $13.45. So as far as unrealized gains, right now I'm down $2.25. So $2.25 from the initial investment, be down 16%. Now this one for the Julius Urban jersey, I'm actually down a whole lot, 53% from the signed jersey. The share was only it was $5 a share, and it dropped to from some time I got it. Average share was $4.50. As far as the unrealized gain, I'm actually down to $2.40. So the share now is $2.10. So yeah, that kind of went down a lot. The Warren Buffett one, I'm curious. I don't want to jinx anything, but I'm curious to see how the value was, how the value would be if, like, I wouldn't want him to pass away or something like that. But I'm curious to see what like a value like this would happen if something like that was to happen. So I had 40 shares, $12, unrealized gain $2.80. As well, so I'm down there. But I just recently purchased. Oh, actually, I had it for August 2022, so that wasn't actually that long ago. Let's see what else we have here. Signed guitar. This one actually dropped substantially as well, 61%. That's a big drop in my eyes, I would definitely say. Let me see how long I had this one for. Had this one for 2021. Now, as far as collectibles fluctuating stuff, I'm just guessing it's based strictly off of supply and demand. As far as collectibles, I don't know that much about collectibles, but I do kind of find ones that I think may be interesting, or ones that I think might have some sense of like scarcity. And let me see, scroll down some more. Got the Sign Apple computer from 19, the first one I believe from 1976. That one, I had that one since the average cost $12.80. Total cost $12.80. I had it since 2022. I'm down for unrealized gains $4.95. So let me scroll down the Star Wars one here. I'm actually down. I had 2 shares or $7, and now I'm actually lost $5 there as well. Yeah, so I had 2 shares. Average cost $6. Total cost was 12, and now I'm actually down $5 there. So each share now is worth $3.45 cents for that one. Let's see, let's see. Of course, all the NFTs, they kind of dropped substantially. 85% there, and 76% there. As far as the, let's click, oops, let's go back. Yeah, the NFTs, like, that was definitely a failure. I had 10, so they were like $10. I got 1 share for $10, lost $7.60. So basically, yeah, $2.40. Both of them turned into not so good. So overall, as far as unrealized gains, I'm actually down $22.15. As far as collectibles, guys, I guess you can see I'm not doing that good so far. We'll see how things kind of go, but that's the results right now. Let me click on their explore thing. But I will say, if you were like as far as wine and whiskey or something, like getting something from here, I think as far as cost wise would be much cheaper um, compared to other like wine investing platforms that have even art. I believe they do have art as well. Let me see. I mean, I don't know what type of. Let me see, man. Art. Yeah. Well, I guess the art would be maybe a little different. But yeah, that concludes this particular video. Let me know what you think about it. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel.